These are off of Amazon. They're going into a 2011 Hyundai Sonata 2.0T. I was taking off my carpet inside the trunk for the trunk panel to change the tail lights, and I broke a couple of these. Well, they crumbled. Here's the original. With these ones, got little Phillips. Screw them out and then they just come out. But with these original ones, you can just push them back in. They break. The dealer wanted $265 a piece, and I'm in the Twin Cities, and the closest was Chicago, and I wasn't. So I looked on Amazon. Got some replacements. They're not quite the same. Let's get this started. So they screw in. A little bit wider, but they should fit the same. We'll see. This one you can't just push back in. You have to screw it all the way down. So screw it all the way down here, which I think will hold better than the other one. They seem stronger. So they're a little bit shallower on the screw part, but on the flange part that bows out, it's actually deeper. So I think it'll hold better, and it spreads out wider. The top is wider. The actual screw part right here is a little smaller, but should work. We'll see. Got this bag for $10 for 100 of them. I didn't count them or anything, but I'll put the link in the description. All right, let's get this replacement one in here. So that goes in the same. Let's screw this in. All right, so you can kind of see them side by side. This is the new replacement. Oh yeah, that's solid. I might go ahead and change all these because you can see how much play these have. This one, solid. All right, well, there you go. Thanks for watching.